Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. For today, we're going to cook beef Shanghai with Sotanghon. This dish is good for 8 to 10 persons. The complete list of ingredients and procedures can be seen at the end of the video, so please keep watching! The carrots, onion, and garlic should be chopped into minced. The sotanghon must be soaked in warm water for 30 minutes. The sotanghon must be drained. Cut into smaller pieces. Place all the ingredients in a bowl. Add the beef, onion, garlic, carrots, sotanghon, salt, oyster sauce, pepper, and sugar. You can also add other flavor enhancers of your choice. And then mix them well. Add the egg. Blend all the ingredients well. The amount of salt and other condiments vary depending on your taste preference, so adjust accordingly. The mixture is ready. Scoop a tablespoon of the mixture, place it in lumpia wrapper, then roll it. Repeat the steps to make lumpia Shanghai roll. Taste the mixture to know if you still need to add other condiments. We made 26 rolls. The quantity of the lumpia that you can make varies depending on the thickness of your filling. Place the lumpia in freezer for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the lumpia is ready to cook. Pour the oil in the heated pot. Deep fry the Shanghai rolls. Turn the Shanghai roll. Deep fry both sides until it turns golden brown. When it's already done, remove the Shanghai roll from the pot and transfer in a plate. And there you have it, beef Shanghai with sotanghon. Easy, simple, healthy, and delicious. Try it now! Happy eating! Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos!